case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A landmark case in 1992 put the First Amendment to the test when the International Society for Krishna Consciousness Inc., ISKCON, clashed with the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey over a disputed regulation. The Port Authority regulation in question prohibited the solicitation and distribution of literature within airport terminals. ISKCON, a religious corporation, alleged that this ban infringed on their constitutional right to free speech. The case, International Society for Krishna Consciousness Inc. v. Lee, centered around the issue of whether airport terminals could be considered public fora. Lower courts delivered split verdicts, leaving it to the Supreme Court to ultimately determine the public forum status of airport terminals. The Supreme Court's verdict favored the Port Authority. The terminal solicitation ban, despite curtailing free speech, was ruled as reasonable due to the government's compelling interests in crowd control and fraud prevention. In its explanation, the court emphasized that even modest inconveniences caused by such solicitations could have disruptive effects, especially given the significant pedestrian congestion in airport terminals. Providing an exemption for one group, the court reasoned, would likely lead to disorder, as other groups would then demand similar access. The Supreme Court affirmed the appeals court's judgment, which had likewise upheld the solicitation ban and designated airport terminals as non-public forums. The judgment established a pivotal precedent, asserting that the government has a right to regulate speech on its property, provided the regulations are fair and don't infringe upon individual rights.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.